So welcome to all of you on the vocab session, and whatever the topic I have chosen, guys, very interesting, and you can relate this topic with yourself, guys. So this is a power vocab session, and speak English from newspaper. Speak English from newspaper. How many of you have the habit to read the newspapers? कितने स्टूडेंट्स को हैबिट है न्यूज़पेपर रीड करने की?
Earlier, I had the habit of reading.
Earlier, okay.
Yeah.
But now, okay, but not now. Okay. Only one response. What about others?
Yeah, I do, ma'am.
You do. Very nice. Very nice.
Me too, ma'am.
Okay. Well, what type of information? It's not mandatory that always you read the politics. In any your area of interest, you can read. So most of us, we read the newspaper because this is the first thing which we always say in our childhood also. Maybe we always say to our kids also, ki if you really want to improve your English, start reading the English newspaper. Start reading the English newspaper. We always say to our kids also, even in our childhood also, our parents told us, start reading the newspaper. Start reading the newspaper. So that's why today's topic is purely based on the newspaper. Okay. Now, Atur, can you read it? Whatever is written in the bold letters. Okay. Can anyone? Atur is not able to read. Anyone?
Deepika and Ranveer blessed with baby girl.
Yes, Deepika and Ranveer blessed with baby girl. Deepika and Ranveer, this is a newspaper headline, guys. This is a newspaper cutting. Okay. Deepika and Ranveer blessed with a baby girl. Guys, do you find any mistake in this? Deepika and Ranveer blessed with a baby girl? Or this is right, according to you? If you read this type of heading in the newspaper, so what you analyze? It is right or there is something, a mistake in this? क्या लग रहा है देखने में?
Supporting verb, right, ma'am?
Ma'am, supporting verb is not there.
Means, yeah, but for headings,
Yes.
With the
headings.
with
For
the-
headings it is acceptable, but
Yes.
इसको अगर आप पूरा elaborate form में लिखते तो आपका आता Deepika and Ranveer, because these are the two subjects, so then you have to use were or are. Were or are. अगर past tense में होगा तो were, present में है तो are. Deepika and Ranveer are blessed with a baby. Don't say कि Deepika and Ranveer blessed with a baby girl. This is completely wrong English. Deepika and Ranveer, you have to put one supporting verb. They are blessed or they were blessed with a baby boy or a baby girl.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it is in passive form.
It is
In passive form.
yes.
No.
Deepika and Ranveer were blessed with a baby girl. Meaning क्या है? A way to express joy and gratitude for the arrival of a newborn. ठीक है? यहाँ पर हम newborn, ज्यादातर हम newborn में use करते हैं, but blessed means whenever you express showing your joy and gratitude. उसके लिए we have to use the word bless. Instead of saying I am very happy, you can say I am blessed. I am blessed. I am blessed. Okay, suppose I'm taking the example of Reena. Reena, are you there? Suppose Reena is a teacher, right? Reena, you are a teacher if I'm not wrong.
yes, ma'am.
Yes. So Reena, if you want to say, Reena, you are teaching to which class?
11th, 12th.
11th, suppose. Reena is saying ki, her 12th class student scored 100% result in the 12th. And Reena is saying कि wow, आप जैसे बच्चे पाकर तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. Because every student scored the 100% result. So, but obvious है कि Reena is well known in among all the peer group. So Reena, अगर आपको अपने उनको ये बोलना है कि आप जैसे बच्चे पाकर मैं बहुत खुश हूँ, by using this word bless. So how to use? How to make the sentence?
I'm blessed having, just a minute, ma'am. Let
Hmm.
me, sentence.
Okay, everyone please make. Everyone please make.
I'm feeling blessed having you student, for getting all of you, my students. Feeling blessed,
Okay, I'm feeling blessed.
We-
आगे बोलो.
for having you as my students.
Okay, for having you as my students. Okay, very nice, very nice, very nice, Reena. Anyone who wants to try the same sentence?
Veena ma'am is blessed blessed having such intelligent students.
Okay, okay, well tried, well tried. Any more inputs?
We can
Hmm.
say like I am blessed that I'm working in a good company as a branch manager.
Very nice, very nice, very nice. So all the answers are correct. I am blessed to have the students like you. Simple. Reena, simple and crisp. I am blessed. I am blessed. I am blessed to have the students like you. I am blessed to have the students like you. मैं blessed हूँ, मैं blessed हूँ. But guys, this is not a passive voice. This is not a passive voice. I am blessed is not a passive voice. ठीक है, इसका मतलब होता है मैं blessed हूँ, मैं blessed हूँ. I am blessed. I am blessed. मैं blessed हूँ. So अगर आप सिंपल बोलेंगे I blessed, मैंने bless किया, मैंने bless किया, लेकिन मैं blessed हूँ, तो आप इसको क्या बोलेंगे? I am blessed. I am blessed to have the students like you. I have written some sentences, guys, for you. This would be more easier for you. The rain brings blessed relief from heat. The rain brings blessed relief from heat.
Not to see what the amount of variety we work with.
We have been blessed with the good health. We have been blessed with the good health. हम अच्छी हेल्थ से ब्लेस्ड हुए हैं. मतलब पास्ट में भी हमारी हेल्थ अच्छी थी और अभी भी हमारी हेल्थ अच्छी जा रही है. सो वी कैन ऑल्सो मेक इन दिस सेंटेंस वी हैव बीन ब्लेस्ड विद द गुड हेल्थ. अगर सपोज करो सुमित, आपका प्रीवियस कंपनी में भी बॉस अच्छा था और आपका इस कंपनी में भी बॉस अच्छा है, और आप बोलना चाहते हो कि आपके दोनों बॉस अच्छे हैं, तो आप कैसे बनाओगे सुमित इस सेंटेंस को?
I am always blessed to have a good manager.
I am always blessed to have a good manager. This is also right. Or Sumit, you can also say, I have been blessed with the good managers. I have been blessed with good managers. I have been blessed with good managers का मतलब है कि आपका पास्ट में भी गुड मैनेजर है और अभी भी आपका गुड मैनेजर चल रहा है. अगर सपोज करो आपको रिलेट करना है पास्ट से प्रेजेंट में, so then you have to use have been or has been. Are you guys getting this thing? What is the difference between I am or have been? Both the verbs you can use, guys. This is not hard and fast rule that you always use were and are. You can also use have been. Have been का बस मतलब क्या होगा? वो past से चल रहा है लेकिन अभी तक चल रहा है.
Present maybe.
ठीक है, हाँ, प्रेजेंट में भी चल रहा है.
Present.
सपोज ऋषिकेश अनम्यूट. ऋषिकेश, सपोज आपके जो फ्रेंड सर्कल है वो बहुत अच्छा है.
जी मैम.
ठीक है, और आप ये कहना चाहते हो कि मैम मेरा बचपन से ही ना फ्रेंड सर्कल बहुत अच्छा रहा है, तो कैसे बनाओगे इसको?
I have been blessed with good friend circle.
Yes, I have been blessed with good friends. I have been blessed with good friends का मतलब हो गया कि पास से भी आपका good friends चला आ रहा है. Samit, if you want to say कि do you have daughter? Samit, do you have daughter?
I have a son.
You have a son. Okay. Suppose करो समित, आपको ये सेंटेंस बनाना है कि ऐसा सन पाकर मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. मतलब you are just showing the gratitude.
Like I have been blessed to have a boy like you.
हाँ, I have been blessed to have a boy like you. This is also okay. Or I am blessed to have a boy or a son like you. Both the sentences are right.
Yes.
ठीक है? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So meaning is clear. A way to express joy and gratitude for the arrival of newborn. यहाँ पर newborn लिख दिया, but कोई भी किसी भी न्यू अराइवल से अगर आपको खुशी होती है, मे बी इट इज अ रेन, मे बी इट इज अ न्यू वेदर, कुछ भी, मे बी इट इज अ वेरी गुड वेदर, सो देन यू आर ब्लेस्ड. सपोज 2-3 दिन से बहुत गर्मी हो रही है, लेकिन आज मौसम बहुत सुहावना है. स्मिता, कैसे इसको बनाओगे कि आज मौसम बहुत अच्छा है, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ ऐसा मौसम पाकर? कैसे बनाओगे इसको इंग्लिश में?
I am no, today is
हाँ हाँ बोलो.
Ma'am,
हाँ,
I am blessed to study in a good school.
very nice, very nice. What's your name, dear?
Adrija.
Adrija.
Yes.
I'm not getting your name, dear.
Adrija.
Adrija, very nice sentence, dear. In which class do you study?
5th grade.
Oh, wow, wow. I am blessed to study in such a good school. Very nice, very nice. We are blessed to have this little student like you. Very nice. Smita, now is
ma'am.
very nice, dear. Smita, just make
today's
नहीं 2 days से नहीं. Smita, I am blessed से बनाओ. I am blessed.
अच्छा, I am blessed with I'm blessed with today's weather.
I am blessed with today's weather. Very
With
good.
today's
Very
weather.
good. Very nice. Very nice. KP Singh, would you like to try one sentence?
Yeah, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, I am very pleased. Yeah, I am very blessed.
नहीं, very
Uh,
नहीं. Very का मतलब don't use very. With blessed itself is मतलब very expresses. You are very joyful. You are very showing the gratitude. I am
Okay,
blessed.
okay, ma'am. Okay, I am blessed with today's weather after getting relief from the heat.
I am blessed for today's weather. I am blessed for today's weather.
Okay,
मैं आज के वेदर के लिए बहुत blessed हूँ. I am blessed for today's weather. Okay, yes, Sampi is so much busy. I'm blessed to have a writer in my class, and the name of the student is Sampi. She always keep on writing and writing and writing.
Actually, ma'am, I am late today's
हाँ, तो
class.
कुछ ऐसा कुछ खास मिस नहीं किया. इसको
Okay.
पढ़ा. Whatever is written in the black color. Bold,
Whenever I
bold,
see
bold.
good writing, I wish I was a part of that film, Adil.
Adil. ठीक है? Just search any mistake from these lines. Yes. Do you find any mistake? Whenever I feel good writing, I
Yes,
wish
I was.
was a part
I
of
was.
it.
I was.
I was.
I was.
I was.
Okay, then what should be there?
Were. I
No.
were.
I के साथ वर आता है.
Oh no.
For
I
imaginary.
was.
For,
I
for
was.
imaginary.
I am a part.
I am
I am a part of that film.
I am a part of
am
that film.
Am. Okay, I am. Okay.
Ma'am, I were.
I
No.
were. Why? But you have logged in with iPhone. I'm not able to call you.
Yes,
Just
Arpita.
rename.
Yes.
Okay, so I think this is a mistake, guy.
Arpita Adrija.
Arpita. Yes. Arpita. Wish I was. This is a mistake, guy. This is a mistake.
I were.
I were. Arpita, this is
I
were.
were.
I were.
I wish
Wish
I were a part of.
Yes. Wish I were a part of that. Why, guys? Why, Sumit? You have told me were. Why?
For whenever we are wishing for past, we use were, like imaginary thing.
Imaginary thing, but this is an imaginary thing. Whenever I see good writing, I wish I were a part of that film.
Means whenever we are wishing for something in the past, which is not happened, but
Yes. Whenever we miss something, the things that happened in the past, I wish I were. Although I के साथ, I is a subject, and I के साथ in the past tense we always use was. Arpita, please mute.
Yes, yes.
With I, if you are talking about the past things, we always use was. But if we are talking about the hypothetical phrase का means होता है that is totally imaginary. मतलब we just imagine. Or a past which didn't take place. ऐसा past जो अब नहीं हो सकता. ऐसा पास जो अब नहीं हो सकता, we only can say अगर काश ऐसा होता तो मैं ये कर लेती. So we always use I were. Like for example, I have written some sentences. If I were taller, I would buy this dress. ठीक है, if I were taller, अगर काश मैं लंबी होती तो मैं ये ड्रेस खरीद लेती. If I were taller, I would buy. अच्छा, ऐसे sentences में ना would और could लगाकर V1 लगा दो. V1. Would and could and then V1. If I were you, I would give up smoking. क्या मतलब हुआ ऋषिकेश इस सेंटेंस का हिंदी में? If I were you, I would give up smoking.
काश यदि मैं होता तो मैं सिगरेट पीना छोड़ देता.
यदि मैं तुम्हारी जगह होता तो मैं सिगरेट पीना छोड़ देता. तो इसकी इंग्लिश कैसे बनाओगे? If I were you, then the structure क्या आएगा? Would or could and then V1. I would give up smoking. If I were rich, I would buy a plane. Now this is a hypothetical situation. This is an imaginary. ना तो मैं अमीर हूं, ना मैंने कोई प्लेन खरीदा, लेकिन मैं सोच रहा हूं. I'm just thinking. This is my imaginary situation. काश मैं अमीर होता तो मैं चार्टर खरीद लेता. So this is an imaginary situation for me. So if I were rich, if I were a bird, I could fly around the ground. अगर मैं पंछी होता तो मैं पूरा जहां घूम लेता. If I were a bird, I could fly. Okay, now. Yes. Now, Samit, Arpita, Surangna, and Reena. Guys, just make one sentence in the chat box of this.
Yes, ma'am.
Just make. Monirul, Anil, Atur, Alka. Guys, you have switch off your camera. If you guys are getting this concept, just show me the virtual thumbs up. Monirul.
Yes, ma'am.
Monirul, video on karo. If I were rich, I can nahi. Samit, abhi maine bola na would or could.
Okay, would or could. Okay,
हाँ, ये
I could.
structure है. हाँ, I could buy a car. I could. Or
I could buy a car.
हाँ, I would buy a car. This is a structure.
Okay.
ठीक
Means
है?
I need to use. We need to use only could or would.
हाँ, just would and
Okay,
could
got it.
and then V1 form.
Okay.
ठीक है? देखो, ये तो
Okay.
पता चल गया कि I के साथ आपको
हाँ,
वर यूज करना है, लेकिन वो कैसे यूज करना है तो उसके लिए भी मैं एक स्ट्रक्चर बता रही हूँ. ये स्ट्रक्चर अपना keep this structure into your mind. Right. Monirul, is this your first class? Monirul?
This is my second class.
Second class. Are you getting the vocab? हाँ. If I were
Today
rich, I could buy.
left join.
Monirul, क्या कह रहे हो?
Ma'am, today I left join actually, so.
कोई बात नहीं. जब जागे तभी सवेरा है मनीरुल. अभी हम सेकंड वर्ड पे ही हैं, इतना ज्यादा हमने कुछ करा नहीं है. अभी हम कर रहे हैं if I were know about IDQ in my childhood, I would know very good English today. If I were know about IDQ in my
if I were minister,
okay, past tense. Okay, very nice. सुरंगना, अब म्यूट करके उस पे लिखो, चैट पे.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी. Yes, anyone who wants to write in the chat box, most welcome, guys. The more you will write, the more you will get. If I were an artist, I would go to Italy to see the great art of Renaissance artist. अच्छा, इसके बारे में तो मेरे को भी knowledge नहीं है, but the sentence is absolutely right.
That is a period, Renaissance period.
So do you have interest in ये art and paintings?
Yes, very much.
अच्छा, which subject do you teach? Which subject do you teach? Science.
Ma'am, can I see?
But I have great interest in art and artists like
Okay.
Leonardo da Vinci. Yes, one of the great artists of Renaissance.
Okay.
And you might have of Mona Lisa, the painting.
Okay.
Mona Lisa.
Okay. नहीं, my question is, which subject do you teach in school? 11th
Social
social science. Okay. 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 Very nice. Very nice. If I were rich, I would like to help poor.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes, Adrija. Dear, please write in the chat box. Adrija, please write in the chat box, dear. I will read. from-
ma'am, can I say?
Read in the chat box, dear. Read in the chat box. Otherwise, everyone will say, if I were rich, I would like to help poor. अगर मैं rich होता. Okay. Monirul, that is not an imaginary, ना? हो सकता है. चलो ठीक है फिर भी. If I were a plant, I would
Hello?
love to give more oxygen.
Ma'am, can I hear you?
Yes. If I were a player, I would.
Hello?
Yes. Yes. Yes, Monirul.
Ma'am, I cannot understand because your audio not clear for me. So,
नहीं, I'm getting your
telling me.
sentence. If I were rich, यदि मैं अमीर
Okay.
होता तो I would like to help poor. इसकी जगह ये लिख दो ना. If I were rich, I would like to get the space on the moon. थोड़ा सा imaginary तो लेके आओ. ये help poor. This is not an imaginary situation ना मोनिरोल. देखो इसमें क्या करो. हाइपोथेटिकल बड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड वर्ड है. हाइपोथेटिकल की जगह मैं बोलूंगी ऐसा इमेजिनरी सिचुएशन लेके आओ जो दैट यू कैन ओनली इमेजिन. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ आई वर रिच आई वुड बाय अ चार्टर प्लेन. इफ आई वर रिच आई विल बाय द मन्नत. आई विल बाय मन्नत. यू नो मन्नत किसका है? शाहरुख का है, अमिताभ का है, शाहरुख का है आई थिंक,
Shahrukh.
है ना? So this is an imaginary. In this way you can monitor. You can make, but structure is okay. Structure is okay. If I were minister, I would change all these system in our state. Very nice, very nice. If I were a part of IDCLR, I would be a good speaker now. अभी भी अच्छे speaker हैं. Don't get demotivated. If I were rich, I would help poor kids for their education. Okay. If I were in the politics, I would do so many things for the unemployed youth. Very nice, very nice. Okay, so now you know the structure. Now you know the structure. If I were dash 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 comma and then would and could and then V1 form.
Can you use would have plus V3 like this?
नहीं, इस केस में मत करो. वो भी हम कर सकते हैं रीना. वो ना बहुत ज्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड कंडीशन सेंटेंसेस आ जाते हैं. That is also okay. But फिर उसमें make sure कि would have के बाद you have to use a V3 form.
Yes.
V3 form. V3 form. But that is completely imaginary situation.
Okay.
इसमें क्या होता है ना, कुछ ऐसी सिचुएशन जो still you can achieve.
Okay.
But अगर आप would have का use कर रहे हो तो बिल्कुल ही imaginary situations है. Okay, yes. Samit, can you read it?
That newspaper, ma'am? Newspaper
हाँ,
cutting?
ये headings.
Wanted to prove naysayers wrong.
Naysayers. Wanted to prove naysayers wrong. Naysayers wrong.
Naysayers wrong.
Wanted to prove naysayers wrong.
Wrong.
Yes. Pankaj, any word which seems that you don't know the meaning of that word, any word you are getting from this heading.
Naysayers.
Naysayers. ठीक है. Wanted का मतलब पता है, proof का मतलब पता है, wrong का मतलब होता है. These are very basic words. But what is this naysayers? Wanted to prove naysayers wrong. Naysayers.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? Very different word. Very different word. Any idea? Naysayers. Have you heard this word before?
Himself.
Huh?
Himself.
Himself.
Yes, ma'am.
Wanted to prove himself wrong. वो अपने आप को wrong prove करना चाहता था.
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Not saying.
Criticism.
Criticism. Okay, okay, okay. Well tried. Monirul, KP Singh, any idea?
Opposed to something.
Yes, yes, Anil, speak louder.
Opposed to something.
Opposed to something. Okay.
Opposed to
Okay.
something.
Ma'am, it
Ah.
was criticizers.
Criticizers. Okay. But criticizers are in a very positive term, Pankaj. Criticizers को जो होता है ना, उसको हम positive में लेते हैं. Because if there are no criticizers in front of us, among us, we never ever get the success. क्योंकि वो competition ही नहीं आएगा ना. We always say कि I'm the best, I'm the best, I'm the best. So there should always be the criticizers. जैसे critics होते हैं, लेकिन naysayers का मतलब होता है the people who always demotivate, who always say no, कि तुम तो ये कर ही नहीं सकते. ना 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 ना. Monirul चाहे आप कितना पढ़ लो, कितनी मेहनत कर लो, आप तो इंग्लिश बोल ही नहीं सकते. So I am a naysayer for Monirul because I am the person who always demotivate Monirul. ठीक है. So Monirul क्या कहेगा? यार वो जो मैम है ना, she is a great naysayer. Naysayer का मतलब हो गया a person who always demotivate others, who always say no, who always say you cannot do it. Naysayer. So Arjita, unmute. Yes. So naysayer का मतलब है the person who always say no, So हम क्या कह सकते हैं? जैसे I'm just taking the example of Arjita because she is too young. Ignore. अगर suppose करो मेरे को ऐसे बोलना हो, ignore the negative persons. जो भी negative persons है उन सबको ignore करो और अपने जो dreams हैं उनको achieve करने की कोशिश करो. Yes, ऋषिकेश, कैसे बनाओगे इस sentence को?
Ignore the all things.
हाँ, ignore the
And
naysayers
achieve the
and
achieve all
हाँ,
things.
and अपने goals को achieve
Achieve
करने की कोशिश करो.
कोशिश करो. Try to achieve
हाँ.
the goals.
Yes, and try to achieve your dreams. Try to achieve your goals. Ignore the naysayers. Ignore the naysayers का मतलब हो गया जो भी negative people है. Negative people is a very basic word. ठीक है? Very basic word. So instead of saying the negative people, you can say naysayers. देखो naysayers को कैसे याद भी कर सकते हो mind में. Nay मतलब no. Sayer मतलब कहने वाले. ऐसे person जो हमेशा no कहते हैं. Naysayers.
Down the morale, ma'am.
हाँ, who always keeps your morale down. नहीं, आप तो बोल ही नहीं सकते. आप तो बोल ही नहीं सकते. तो naysayers. So don't sit in the company of, बोलो? Naysayers. Naysayers की कंपनी में मत बैठो. Naysayers बहुत ही ज्यादा निराशावादी होते हैं. कैसे बनाऊंगे इसकी इंग्लिश?
Naysayers are very pessimistic.
Yes, naysayers are always pessimistic. Pessimistic का मतलब होता है निराशावादी, जो हमेशा ही अरे ये तो हो ही नहीं सकता, अरे ये तो तुम कर ही नहीं सकते.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, dear.
Never and ever be the naysayers because they demotivate people.
Yes, very nice, dear. Okay, so now let's see some sentences. Arpita, you are blessed with a daughter like her.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, very nice. Otherwise, nowadays, no one has time to sit along with their parents. And your daughter is sitting along with, especially in the communication classes, dear. Really, I'm very happy. Okay, so now see the sentence. I don't care a damn what the naysayers comment on my English. Or you can simply say, I don't care what the naysayer is commenting on my English. Naysayers. अगर एक से ज्यादा है तो naysayers और अगर एक है तो naysayer. Ignore the naysayers and follow your dreams. Ignore the naysayers and follow your dreams. Yes. Monirul, any one sentence? Anil, one sentence from your end. Write on the chat box. Sampi, Pankaj, write on one sentence in the chat box. Naysayer. The persons who always keep your morale down. Alka, you want to write one sentence or you want to say any sentence?
My principal is a big naysayer.
My
always.
My principal is a big naysayer. This is complete. This is complete. Now no need to mention. Because naysayer का मतलब होता है she always in a complaining mode, she always keep your morale down. Very nice. Demotivators always down the morale, so ignore and do your best. अरे पंकज इसमें naysayers कहाँ use हुआ है भाई?
Ma'am, demotivators means naysayers.
अरे तो फिर naysayers use करो ना, फिर हम क्यों पढ़ रहे हैं naysayers?
Oh, okay, ma'am.
हाँ, naysayers का use करो ना. If he work hard and do it, his naysayers will be proved wrong. Very nice, very nice, very nice. If he works hard, Ritaman, Pamela, I don't know the name, but Ritaman, there is always a naysayer in every team. Yes, yes. Sumit, अगर naysayers लिख रहे हो तो फिर a remove करो.
Okay,
और अगर a
okay.
लिख रहे हो तो naysayer लिखो. Naysayers always demoralize to everyone. Yes, very nice. I don't like naysayers. Very nice, very nice. If you want, अगर life में succeed करना है तो naysayer से दूर रहो. कैसे बनाओगे? रीना,
Yes, ma'am.
अगर life में success पाना है तो naysayer से दूर रहो.
Always away from the naysayers.
हाँ, if you want to
Success.
if you want to
really want to succeed in life.
if you want to succeed in your life, or you can say if you want to get the success in your life, the journey of success. Monirul, एक sentence आपसे हो जाए.
I'm trying.
If he does that, he can prove his naysayers. Yes, his naysayers will be proved wrong. Surangna, his naysayers will be proved wrong. When you struggle for your goal, always ignore naysayers. Excellent, excellent. Naysayers, ठीक है? Naysayers को कैसे याद करोगे? ऐसे persons who always say
Negative to others.
no. Yes,
Negative,
who always say
negative to others.
negative. Who always keeps morale
Negative
down.
others.
Who always keeps morale down.
Ma'am, can I say?
Okay, okay, Arjita, it's okay, dear. Succeed people do not repent naysayers. Okay, always be positive and wouldn't be followed by the naysayers. If you want to succeed in your life, always away from the naysayers. Okay, now you know very well this word.
Ma'am,
naysayers.
Ma'am, can
Arjita, please write down in the chat box, dear. Okay. Now, the next word, the next is Samit. Can you? Samit has already read. Surangna, read the heading.
US judge delays Trump hush money sentencing until after
Sentencing. Sentencing
no
until after
election.
November election.
November election.
Yes. Arpita, what does it mean? क्या समझ रहे हो इस heading से?
US judges delays Trump harsh money sentencing until after November election.
Any word which seems that is different, or maybe you have heard first time?
Sentencing.
Sentencing means like giving sentence, not that the punishment sentence.
Yes, sentence means punishment. This is a very
Sentencing.
simple word. Sentence. Sentence is a Harjita, please, dear.
Wait.
Now, okay. Now, what is a different word which you have read in this heading?
Hush money.
Hush money. Hush money.
Hush
Hush
money.
money. This is a very different. This is a very different word. Okay. Hush money. Hush money. Rishikesh, is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
US judge delays Trump hush money sentencing until after November election. अब ये hush money क्या होता है?
Black money, ma'am.
Black.
Black money.
चुप रहना.
हाँ?
चुप रहना.
चुप रहना. नहीं नहीं, money 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 word आया हुआ है.
Hush money.
Hush money. Hush money.
छुपा हुआ पैसा ना.
Black money, ma'am.
अबे ब्लैक मनी व्हाइट मनी तो मेरे को तो सिर्फ व्हाइट मनी पता है, ब्लैक मनी तो मुझे पता नहीं है. तो
Hidden money.
Hush money.
हाँ, so I know the meaning of this word. Money which is paid to someone to prevent them from disclosing and embarrassing. तो black money नहीं होगा पंकज. यहाँ पर ऐसा मनी जो किसी को दिया जाता है, किस लिए? कि ताकि जो जिससे कुछ क्राइम करा है उसको प्रिवेंट करेंगे. मतलब जो मेरे को समझ आया, वी कैन ऑल्सो से इन हिंदी, जैसे रिश्वत का जो मनी होता है, रिश्वत का जो करप्शन का जो मनी होता है, ब्राइब. हाँ, ब्राइब काम करता है. लेकिन वो जो मनी दिया जाता है, डेट इज कॉल्ड द हश मनी. Bribe can be given in any form, maybe the property, maybe the jewelry, anything. But hush money का मतलब होता है the money which is paid to someone to prevent them from any embarrassment. Suppose
but ma'am, it should be black money.
भाई ब्लैक मनी तो जरूरी नहीं है ना कि आप सिर्फ अपना एम्बेरसमेंट के लिए दोगे. ब्लैक मनी तो आप अपना बिजनेस को राइज करने के लिए भी दे सकते हो.
मैम, पर्सन कैन बी करप्ट, मनी कैन नॉट बी करप्ट. मनी तो ब्लैक ही होगी ना.
नहीं होता ना. कोई अपना व्हाइट मनी दे रहा है, भैया उसके पास नहीं है ब्लैक मनी, उसके पास व्हाइट मनी है, लेकिन वो अपना व्हाइट मनी भी दे रहा है. किस लिए दे रहा है?
व्हाइट मनी मैम इज डिजिटल मनी. ओनली डिजिटल मनी इज व्हाइट मनी. If you are going through the cash, this is called black money.
हाँ, तो सपोज करो पंकज, अगर सपोज करो आई डिड सम क्राइम, और मैं सपोज करो कि सुमित को कुछ पैसे दे रही हूँ कि सुमित प्लीज ये पैसे ले लो, और ना प्लीज मेरे ना क्राइम के बारे में ना, मेरे झूठ के बारे में ना किसी को मत बोलना. मैं कैश ही दे रही हूँ सुमित को मैं अपना व्हाइट मनी ट्रांसफर कर रही हूँ. तो यहाँ पर ब्लैक मनी व्हाइट मनी की बात नहीं आ रही सुमित, पंकज. यहाँ पर बात आ रही है कि मैं किस सेंस में उसको वो पैसे दे रही हूँ. वो पैसे हाँ,
वो जो बोलते हैं ना मुंह बंद करने के लिए जो पैसा देते हैं.
यस भाई, जो मैंने क्राइम करा है उसको चुप रहने के लिए मैं तुम्हारे को पैसे दे रही हूँ.
तो मैम इसको फिर इन्फ्लुएंस मनी बोलेंगे ना क्या?
इन्फ्लुएंस मनी मैंने नहीं सुना, बट इसको हश मनी बोलेंगे. इस वर्ड को याद कर लो ना, कोई मुश्किल लग रही है? बड़ा इतना प्यारा वर्ड है हश मनी.
एक्चुअली मैम ये आप सही कह रही है, याद तो कर लें, बट इसको यूज भी तो करना है ना.
हाँ, तो यूज करवाएंगे ना अभी करवाते हैं. हश मनी कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हुआ. ब्लैक मनी व्हाइट मनी की बात नहीं कर रहे. वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट ब्लैक मनी और व्हाइट मनी. हियर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द मनी विच इज गिवन टू समवन फॉर डिस्क्लोजिंग द embarrassment, for disclosing any crime, closing the any crime. जो भी मैंने कुछ क्राइम करा है, झूठ बोला है, कोई क्राइम करा है, उसके लिए जो मैं मुंह बंद करने के लिए जो पैसे देती हूँ, उस मनी को हम क्या बोलते हैं? हश मनी.
मैम जो वो बोलते हैं ना, वो he is very harsh, he needs, तो वो harsh की स्पेलिंग क्या है? और ये हार्श वॉइस है ना, हार्श उसकी स्पेलिंग सेम है.
हार्श उसको हार्श बोलते हैं, HARSH.
ओके,
हार्श रूट.
एंड व्हाट इज दिस प्रोनाउंसिएशन? दिस वन हश. And that one is harsh.
That one is harsh. Okay, now Pankaj, इसको देखो. I have written some sentences. He paid hush money to his secretary to keep their affair a secret. I'm pretty sure that this sentence will keep into your mind and you will never ever forget how to use this one. He paid hush money to his secretary to keep their affair a secret. Okay, चलो इससे थोड़ा सा सिंपल लेते हैं. Did you ever accept hush money? क्या आपने कभी hush money को accept करा है? मतलब क्या कभी आपने ऐसा मनी एक्सेप्ट करा है, मुंह बंद करने वाला, मुंह बंद करने के लिए क्या कभी कोई मनी एक्सेप्ट करा है? डिड यू एवर एक्सेप्ट हश मनी? और
काइंड ऑफ ब्राइब।
हाँ, ब्राइब है रीना, इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ ब्राइब डियर, लेकिन ब्राइब जो है ना, दैट कैन बी इन मल्टीपल वेज, मे बी प्रॉपर्टी का, मे बी ज्वेलरी का, कुछ भी आप ब्राइब कर सकते हो, ठीक है। बट हश मनी इज ओनली इन द फॉर्म ऑफ मनी, इट इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ टोटली डियर, इट्स अ ब्राइब फॉर्म। बट अगर ब्राइब जो है वो मनी फॉर्म में दिया जाता है तो उसको हम बोल देते हैं हश। हश हश मनी इज यूज्ड टू कवर द क्राइम। Hush money is used to cover the crime. Politicians बहुत use करते हैं nowadays, so everyone is using. He took hush money and be a dumb spectator. Very good, very good. Subodh Ghosh is trying to give the hush money to Momita's parent. Very nice, Alka. Alka has given a very realistic example, guys. Subodh Ghosh is trying to give the hush money to Momita's parents. Momita's parents. ठीक है? Alka, you have to use to.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very nice sentence, but guys, always whenever you want to make the sentences, now always try to make the sentences that you can relate. Maybe your office, maybe your family, maybe your friend circle. तो ऐसे words को use करो ताकि वो that retain into your mind. Yes, any sentences? KP Singh, any sentence from your end? Rishikesh, any sentence?
Yes, ma'am. Criminals paid hush money to police to cover the crime.
To cover the crime. Okay, very good. To give hush money is crime. Yes, to give hush money is crime. Very good. The hush money also help to avoid being sued or facing criminal charges. Oh my God. Surangna, your sentence is right. My friend gave hush money to traffic police to get relief from
Yes,
fine.
yes.
Very nice, very nice.
Yes, yes.
जो हम आम तौर पे हम देते हैं ट्रैफिक पुलिस वालों को, हम क्या दे देते हैं अपना, भैया ये ले तो 1000-2000 का बिल मत काट, 500 रुपए ले ले और हमारे को छोड़ दे. My daughter gave hush money not to tell she bunked the lecture to me. My daughter gave hush money. Smita is there? Not to tell she has bunked the lecture. Smita bhi grammar nahi start hua na bhi? I gave hush money to traffic police to cover the bike challan. Very good, Monil. I give मतलब होता है मोनिल कि आप देते हो, रोज देते हो. अगर आपको ये लिखना होगा ना, मैंने दिया, मैंने हश मनी दिया, तो इसको लिखो I gave.
Given.
I gave. ठीक है. अगर I give का तो मतलब हो गया रोज देते हो. जब भी आप बाइक पे जाते हो आपका चालान कटना ही कटना है, तो रोज दे देते हो, ले भाई पैसे ले ले. ठीक है, चलो. Okay, yes. Sumit, read the
Sensex plugs over 1,000 point
very
on
nice, Reena.
fears of US eco weakness.
Weaknesses. ठीक है. So there is a word plunges. There is a word plunges. Plunges. There is a word plunges. तो plunge का मतलब क्या होता है? The plunge has very different meaning. Drop or fall or jump or push suddenly with the force. किसी चीज को force के साथ push करना, गिर जाना, jump करना, that is called the plunge. That is called the plunge. अब यहाँ पर can anyone tell me Sensex? Guys, you have a little bit knowledge about the Sensex. सबको market के बारे में पता है. तो जब भी whenever we talk about the market, so instead of saying the Sensex falls down, you can always use the word. This is a verb that is called plunges. Plunges मतलब होता है rapidly fall down. Rapidly fall down. मार्केट क्या कहते हैं ना, ओ माय गॉड, जैसे इलेक्शन था, इलेक्शन के बाद क्या हुआ, मार्केट क्रैश हो गई. तो मार्केट या तो क्रैश बोलो लेकिन अगर मार्केट एकदम से नीचे गई है तो उसको क्या बोलेंगे? द मार्केट प्लंजेस या मार्केट हैज प्लंज्ड, मार्केट हैज
Plunges.
प्लंज्ड।
The market.
हाँ, यस समित।
Ma'am, we can say like the market plunges, or you said that yesterday the market has
Plunged.
plunged.
नहीं,
Has
अगर
plunged.
नहीं, अगर yesterday वर्ड यूज करो ना समित, तो you say yesterday the market plunged.
Okay, yesterday the
Plunged.
market plunged.
Plunged.
Okay.
Yesterday the market plunged.
Okay.
I मतलब faced a huge loss because yesterday the market plunged.
Okay.
Although ऐसा हो ना, but I'm just taking the example. Okay. Have you put some money into market, Samit? आप market करते हो थोड़ा बहुत?
Pehले, but not now. Earlier, but not now.
Okay, okay, okay. Right. पंकज आप करते हो?
No, ma'am, I have no knowledge about the census.
अच्छा, market के लिए ring. अच्छा, okay. And any female who is doing the market?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Alka. Acha, okay.
No,
Very
ma'am.
nice, very nice. Okay, now, see the sentences. She took a deep breath and decided to plunge into the cold water. Guys, I have written. अब यहाँ पर इस plunge का मतलब क्या है? Jump करना. Jump. Plunge का मतलब jump भी हो सकता है. Plunge का मतलब fall भी हो सकता है. Plunge का मतलब push suddenly with a force भी हो सकता है. तो यहाँ पर she took a deep breath and decided to plunge into the cold water. लेकिन हम मोस्टली हम क्या बोलते हैं? Decided to. अगर पानी के अंदर कूदना हो तो मैं क्या इस सेंटेंस में हाँ जंप बोलते हैं. जंप इज वेरी बेसिक वर्ड. एनी मोर वोकैबुलरी जो हम पानी के अंदर कूदने के लिए यूज करते हैं?
Into.
Dive into the cold water. Dive. But dive is again a very simple, so you can also say plunge. The stock market took a sudden plunge after an announcement. जैसे ही मोदी ने कहा कि भाइयों और बहनों कल से वो 500 रुपए का या जो भी 1000 रुपए का जो नोट है वो कल से बंद होने जा रहा है. तो इट मीन द स्टॉक मार्केट टुक अ सडन प्लंज. एकदम से रैपिडली फॉल डाउन हुआ है इस अनाउंसमेंट के बाद. The nurse plunged the needle in the body. The nurse plunged मतलब एकदम से फोर्स के साथ उसने needle बॉडी में घुसा दी. तो my boy plunged into the assignment. My boy plunged into the assignment मतलब the expenditure of medical facilities has plunged significantly. Yes, this is very nice. प्लंज का मतलब हो गया जंप करना. प्लंज का मतलब हो गया फॉल डाउन रैपिडली. संपी, वन सेंटेंस.
Ma'am, can I say?
Mm-hmm.
The junior doctors are plunged in the rally for the justice for
Okay, the
Abhaya.
junior doctor plunged into the rally for the justice of that doctor. Okay,
Abhaya.
मतलब यहाँ पर एज अ प्लंज का मतलब आपने क्या यूज करा है?
वो उन लोगों ने एक्चुअली वो एक साथ खड़े हुए हैं वो जस्टिस के लिए.
नहीं, यहाँ पर प्लंज का मतलब क्या है? ड्रॉप है, फॉल है, जंप है, पुश है, क्या है? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग?
पुश मैम.
पुश. Okay, push suddenly with the force. Okay.
Ma'am, if market will go up suddenly, can we use plunge in that case also?
Right, plunge, Sumit, always use in the form of fall down.
Okay, then why we use like the expenditure of medical facilities has plunged? So
अच्छा,
like
expenditure, हाँ. Expenditure तो बढ़ ही रहा है. Right. Sumit, I didn't see this word. Thank you. Rita man, dear, has not लिखो फिर यहाँ पर.
Ma'am.
Brokers are big role Brokers are big role to plunge the market. Brokers are playing a big role to plunge. Plunge की spelling क्या है? Yesterday the gold price is plunged. Okay. Okay, Rita, Alka, very nice, very nice. When dengue fever platelet count. When dengue fever platelet count plunge fast का मतलब क्या हुआ? ये किसने लिखा है?
मैंने लिखा है मैम, डेंगू फीवर में प्लेटलेट काउंट तेजी से फॉल होता है.
हाँ, तो लेकिन सेंटेंस नहीं समझ आ रहा है ये.
While dengue fever platelets count plunge fast.
I'm not able. While dengue fever platelet count. अच्छा, कॉमा. While dengue fever platelets count plunge fast. Okay.
Plunge itself means fast.
हाँ, मैं वही, हाँ, plunge itself.
Dengue plunge platelet counts.
Plunge
The dengue
platelets.
plunge.
हाँ, while dengue fever plunge platelets. हाँ,
count.
simple counts की भी जरूरत नहीं लग रही मुझे तो यहाँ पर. Plunge जो है ना ऋषिकेश, that is a verb.
Board exam.
So in dengue fever, नहीं, while dengue fever नहीं वैसे ये भी ठीक है, platelets count plunges. प्लेटलेट्स काउंट प्लंजेस, ये भी ठीक है, बट फास्ट की जरूरत नहीं है ऋषिकेश. यहाँ पर प्लंज का मतलब ही है जब एकदम से फॉल डाउन होता है. रैपिडली फॉल डाउन मींस प्लंज. इन डेंगू फीवर प्लेटलेट काउंट्स प्लंजेस. Platelets counts plunges. That is okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Can I see like this? My sentence is, his marks is plunged in board exam.
His marks
is plunged in board exam.
मतलब हुए हैं, मतलब हो चुके हैं. So his marks has plunged.
Okay.
His marks has plunged in the board exams.
Board exam. So we can say when he saw his mark plunged.
No, when he saw
he is shocked to see the marks plunged. No, sorry, ma'am.
No, simple. देखो, try to make the simple sentences. His marks has plunged in the board exams due to his less preparation.
Knife into the cake.
Due to his less preparation, his marks has plunged. Yes, Samit, you want to say something?
Ma'am,
He plunged the knife into the cake.
Okay, Arpita is saying. Yes, Arpita.
Yes, ma'am. I sold all my shares for Tata Steel because yesterday the market plunged badly.
Yes, because yesterday the market plunged badly. Very nice. Samit, you want to say something?
One sentence I can share, like this time I didn't get too much time for the preparation, so my marks plunged badly this time.
My marks plunged badly this time.
Yes.
This is also okay. My marks plunged badly this time.
Yes.
Very nice. Surangna, you want to say something?
Yes, ma'am. He plunged the knife into the cake.
He plunged the knife. आगे बोलो.
Into the cake.
Into the
cake. Into the cake.
Into the cake. अच्छा, he plunged a knife into the cake. Very nice.
The cake.
मतलब इसने forcefully जो है.
Forcefully knife से cake को काटा.
My son is very naughty. He always plunged the knife into the cake.
Knife into the cake.
Very nice. Forcefully जब घोपना जिसे हम कहते हैं ना हिंदी में, that is called the plunge. Abha, you have just joined, Abha. Abha, unmute.
Yes, ma'am. Today's I'm late.
अच्छा कोई
urgent
बात नहीं,
work, ma'am.
कोई बात नहीं आभा, अभी रिकॉर्डिंग एंड पीडीएफ विल बी शेयर, ओके, नो नीड टू वरी,
Yes,
नो नीड
ma'am.
टू वरी, ठीक है। अच्छा, सो
Thank you,
गाइस,
ma'am.
okay, so guys, what, but Abha, I really appreciate if you participate in the discussion. ठीक है, अभी I will share, guys.
Yes.
What the words we have discussed. Abha, listen. What is the first word
Yes,
we have discussed? Smita, what was the first word? Any word which you learned without seeing into the notebook. Any word, Abha? Oh, sorry, Smita, which you learned?
Naysayers.
Huh?
Naysayers.
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 Yeah.
Very good. Okay. Yes, Arpita.
Blessed with.
Blessed. Okay.
Blessed.
Blessed with.
Blessed. Okay, very good. Some
I
people,
wish I
any
were.
word.
Ashwin.
Some people,
I
any word.
wish I
जिसमें
were.
notebook नहीं देखना, notebook
I-
नहीं देखना.
I wish I were. I wish I were.
I wish
If-
I were. I wish
If
I
I wish
were.
I were.
ठीक.
I
Were.
were.
Hashmani.
Ashmani. Ashmani.
Were.
Yes,
Hashmani.
Rina? Any
Plunge.
plunge. Okay. Sumit,
Plunged.
Plunge. Hashmani.
plunge and hushman. ठीक है? So these words we have discussed. Now, guys, what you have to do now, I will send you into the breakout rooms. What you have to do in the breakout room? और पंकज क्या हालचाल है? बस अलका सही चल रही है लाइफ, आईडी क्यों एंजॉय कर रहे हो, ये सब डिस्कशंस नहीं करना. Okay, what you have
Okay.
to discuss, I will assign one topic and then you have to speak on that topic. You have to make one write up by using all the words which we have discussed in today's session. ठीक है, लेकिन उससे पहले जरा एक बार टॉपिक देख लो. Or can anyone tell me what is this topic? Yes. Rishikesh, read the topic.
Courage.
Yeah, ma'am. Courage isn't having the strength to go on. It is going on when you don't have strength.
Okay, KP Singh, again read the topic. KP Singh, again read the topic.
Courage isn't having the strength to go on. It's going on when you don't have strength.
Okay, very nice. But Rishikesh, don't you think so? थोड़ी सी नजाकत लेके आए हैं. This is a language and it's a very beautiful language.
Yes, ma'am.
थोड़ा सा नजाकत के साथ. Reena, can you
Courage
read?
isn't having the
Strength.
strength.
The
Courage
strength.
is not having the strength to go on. It is going on when you don't have the
Have the
strength.
strength. Very nice. Rishikesh, are you getting what I'm trying to convey? सिर्फ read नहीं करना, थोड़ा सा नजाकत के साथ. इस जितना ज्यादा ऐसे read करूंगी, this is a language. I'm very happy with Pankaj improvement. Earlier Pankaj भी ऐसे ही पढ़ते थे, बिल्कुल पत्थर मार language जैसे होता है. Yes, Reena.
Yes.
Now listen to Reena. Reena.
Ma'am, courage isn't having the strength to go on. It is going on when you don't have strength.
When you don't have strength. Guys, ठीक है? So you will definitely get with the practice. Yes. Alka, can you tell me what is the meaning of this? ये verb दे तो दिया topic, इसका मतलब क्या है, guys?
मीन्स करेज का मतलब सिर्फ आपकी स्ट्रेंथ नहीं है. तो मतलब ये है कि जब आपके पास स्ट्रेंथ नहीं हो तब भी आप हिम्मत करके आगे बढ़िए.
Very nice. Samit, can you again tell what you understand by reading this topic?
Ma'am, as per my understanding, like we should encourage ourselves to go ahead always.
But if you, देखो, this is very, Sumit, okay, I'm just taking the last. Sumit, would you like to elaborate?
May I?
Okay, I'm coming.
सांस वो नहीं है जो हमारे जो जब चले, जब हमारे अंदर कुछ स्ट्रेंथ है.
Strength हो, हाँ.
सांस वो है जो जब भी हम दिखे, जब हमारे पास कोई स्ट्रेंथ नहीं भी हो.
हाँ, very nice. Yes, who is saying may I?
मैम इसका मतलब ये होना चाहिए
हाँ.
कि करेज उस समय तुम्हें स्ट्रेंथ नहीं देता है, लेकिन उस समय देता है जब तुम उस लायक होते नहीं हो.
जब उस लायक होते नहीं है. अच्छा,
It is going.
हाँ,
It is going on when you don't have strength. मतलब जब
When you
तुम्हारे पास
don't.
पावर नहीं होती तब करेज काम आता है.
Ma'am, courage is like a power bank that help us to charge ourselves when we get discharged.
When we get discharged, right, right. तो basically क्या है, very simple है guys. ये नेपोलियन का एक वो है सेइंग है, वहां से लिया है. तो इसका मतलब है कि करेज इजंट हैविंग द स्ट्रेंथ टू गो ऑन. करेज का मतलब ये नहीं है कि जब आपके पास स्ट्रेंथ है तभी आप करेज दिखा रहे हैं. इसका मेन पर्पस क्या है, जब आपके पास स्ट्रेंथ नहीं है, स्ट्रेंथ इन द सेंस जब आप गिव अप कर देते हैं, मतलब कि भाई अब मेरे से नहीं हो सकता, मेरे अंदर अब जान नहीं है. जैसे आई जस्ट टेकन द एग्जांपल ऑफ नेपोलियन. उसका कुछ फ्रांस के साथ कुछ लड़ाई वड़ाई हुआ था, उसने बिल्कुल वो सब कुछ हार गया था. स्टिल उसने क्या, उसके पास कोई आर्मी नहीं थी, कुछ नहीं था, लेकिन स्टिल उसने क्या नहीं छोड़ा, अपना करेज नहीं छोड़ा. नहीं, मैं भी कर सकता. चाहे उसके पास एनर्जी नहीं थी, आर्मी नहीं थी, फोर्स नहीं थी, पैसा नहीं था, लेकिन एक चीज थी उसके पास, दैट इज हिज करेज.
We can reference from the recent Bahubali movie, ma'am. The dialogue of Prabhas.
अच्छा, प्रभास का. अरे वो उससे नजरें हटे तो डायलॉग्स में जाए ना हम. चलो, अच्छा guys, note down this topic because now I'm sending you to the breakout room. Sampi is in a very deep thinking. Sampi, क्या सोच रहे हो?
Ma'am, courage, this topic means that whenever we have no strength, still we have courage to do the work.
Yes, to do the work. देखो strength का मतलब तो हो गया ना Sampi. Whether it is a physical strength, yes, I'm very active to do that work. Whether it is a mental strength, that is a strength. लेकिन जब मेरे पास ये दोनों नहीं है, जब मैं गिव अप कर गई हूँ, मैं डिप्रेशन में हूँ, मेरी बॉडी अलाउ नहीं कर रही है, स्ट्रेंथ मेरे पास जीरो है, बट स्टिल उस समय मेरे पास क्या है, करेज है. तो आई कैन डू दैट. It is not sure ki whether you will get the success or not, but at least you should have the courage. Right? Done? Now, everyone wants to participate?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, done? And those students who have switched off their cameras, Monirul, Anil, Ritaban, KP Singh, guys, I really appreciate to participate in the session. Okay? Now, I'm giving you, how much time do you need? And I will come into your breakout rooms. I will come into your breakout rooms और वहीं पर मैं सुनूंगी. And if I will say that is okay, then you can leave. Then you can leave. ठीक है? Okay. 3-3 के basis पे I'm just making. Okay. Rita Ben, would you like to try? Okay, dear. You can leave. And please share to your fluency or the grammar coach. Alka, you haven't joined? Acha,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, join. Monirul? Monirul, please join. Monirul, unmute. Rita Ben, unmute. Monirul.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Rita Ben, you want to join, dear?
Actually, ma'am, I am out. I'm
Okay,
not
okay,
in
okay.
home.
Yes, yes, yes. So, dear, who is your grammar coach?
Actually, many days I did not join the class.
Okay, and who is your fluency coach?
Now it is principal is Dr. Sandra, ma'am.
Dr. Sehnara.
Yes. And first time I joined your class.
Acha, you have joined my
Before I
session.
joined, yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. So, Rita, what's your real name?
Ma'am, actually, I joined to my son's device, so it is showing like this. Actually, my name is Pamela.
Pamela, you do one thing, dear. I will share the recording and the PDF into the session. So what you do, just revise, go through with this PDF again, and then make one write-up on the same topic and send to your fluency coach.
To Samira, ma'am. Ma'am, this is the topic, no? The last, whatever the thing about Napoleon you were saying. That is
Go
the
to topic.
of
I will share into your group also. WhatsApp into your vocab group.
Yes, yes.
Okay, Pamela. And I really appreciate that if you want to join the next session with your video on, because you have made the wonderful sentences, dear. I really want to meet you.
Okay. Ma'am, next class also vocab class, can I get you?